Good morning,
Morning,
ma'am.
children. Good morning,
Good
children.
morning, ma'am.
Yes, how was the vacation?
Morning, ma'am.
How was the
Ma'am, it's
vacation?
very,
Ma'am, good.
I'm enjoyable.
You all enjoyed?
very enjoyable and fabulous.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, we also missed our online classes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And hobby classes also you did?
Yes, ma'am. We have also done the
Okay.
summer camp.
Yes, yes, summer camp. Yes. I saw Aradhya, I saw. Yes. So, are you ready with your books?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Today we will
Yes,
do
ma'am.
practice book. Practice
ma'am.
book. We will do
Okay.
transitive and intransitive verbs. Now, what is a verb?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, but our chapter 4 is not completed.
Yes, yes, we will
Yes,
be doing
ma'am.
literature also. Literature also we will be doing.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Practice book
Ma'am.
chapter 4 not completed.
Oh, chapter 4 is not complete.
ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Ma'am, we
from
have
worksheet
done.
8 we have to
Ma'am, we
start.
have.
Worksheet
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
we have
done
completed
worksheet
till
7 yet.
worksheet 7.
Aradhya, you tell me till which page have you done chapter 4?
Ma'am, till 43, till worksheet 7.
Till worksheet 7. Okay. Because in other class we have done. So worksheet 7. Maybe you didn't have a class that day. So we could not complete. Okay, we will complete this. Worksheet 8.
Ma'am,
Open
there is
page.
our Hindi class. That
Today
day.
you have Hindi class.
No, ma'am. मैम जिस दिन आप करवा रही थी वर्कशीट
Yes, yes.
वर्कशीट 8 दूसरे क्लास में उस दिन.
Yes, yes. Other class I have done. That is why I didn't remember. Okay, anyway, we will do worksheet 8. Please open page 44. All of you, please open page 44. Are you ready with your books? Children, I should see your faces on the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 4 or 5 students have opened their video. What about others? That means you are not ready for the class. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. It is very.
Not ready for the class? Okay. Now worksheet 8. What do you think should be done with regard to the following environmental problems? Take help from the clues given below. Write one sentence about each. Now, when will soil erosion stop? Now, they have given the clue in the picture. You can see the answers are given, clues are given, in fact, and you have to write in a full sentence. Now, when will soil erosion stop? Now, can you tell me which clue you will use? Soil erosion will stop when we will take up a drive for afforestation. When we will take up a drive for afforestation, that means when you will start planting trees, soil erosion will
Ma'am, I
stop.
soil erosion
Huh?
station.
Yes. First one is already
Yes,
done for
ma'am.
you. So you know. Now, how can the Taj Mahal be saved? If we relocate industries on the
I think
outskirts
Taj
of the...
Mahal can be saved when we stop acid rain.
Stop acid rain.
Ma'am, relocate industries on the
No, no.
Ma'am,
When we stop acid rain, right?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Taj
Ma'am,
Mahal
because
can be
acid
saved if
rain
we
harm
stop
the
the
marbles
acid
of
rain.
Taj Mahal.
Yes, if we stop the acid rain. Now, how can the
Yes,
problem
ma'am.
of industrial pollution be saved?
Regulate in industries of the
If
outskirts
we...
of the cities can be
Yes.
used to.
Relocate.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
By
I think
relocate,
I
Ma'am,
think
the problem of
the problem
industrial
of
pollution be
pollution,
solved when we regulate
yes,
industries on the outskirts of
relocate,
cities.
relocate. If we
Yes,
relocate
ma'am.
industries on the outskirts of the cities. Now,
Yes,
when
ma'am.
will skin cancer due to the hole in ozone layer find an end?
Ma'am, ban the use of
ma'am, when
sprays.
we,
Yes,
ban the use of
when
sprays.
we ban the use of sprays. And how
Yes,
can
ma'am.
wildlife be saved?
Ma'am, stop hunting
Ma'am, when we
animals.
stop hunting animals.
Yes,
Yes, we
wildlife
stop
can be
hunting animals.
saved if we stop hunting animals. Yes.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the adjective clause. Now what is an adjective clause? What is a
Ma'am,
clause,
can I
children?
say
Let us
Apurva?
revise.
Ma'am,
Let
can I
us
say
revise.
Apurva? Ma'am,
Not like this,
Apurva.
please. Raise your hand.
Ma'am.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes, Anjali. Anjali,
Yes, ma'am.
please
A
give
clause.
the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. A clause which contains a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective is called adjective clause.
Very good. Anyone else wants to give the answer?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
Apurva?
Yes, Apurva.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the clause which contain a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective is called an adjective clause.
Okay, very good. Now, what is an adjective? What is an adjective? What is the definition
Ma'am,
of
can I say
adjective?
Apurva?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, describing words are known
Ma'am,
as
Very
adjectives.
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes, all describing
which
words
describe
are
the
known as adjectives. That means
Adjective.
they describe the noun or a
Yes,
pronoun.
ma'am.
Yes, they
Yes,
are
Yes, ma'am.
telling you more about the noun or a pronoun. Like if I say she is a girl, now she is a girl, and if I describe the girl, I can say she is an intelligent girl. That means
Yes, ma'am.
intelligent
She
is
is a
an
good
Intelligent is the
girl.
adjective.
Yes, it is
Yes,
telling you
ma'am.
more about the noun. What kind of a girl is she? Intelligent girl. So this is an adjective, intelligent. Now adjective clause does the work of, it qualifies the noun. That means it tells you about the more about the noun clause.
Yes,
Now the
ma'am.
family that lives next door hails from Australia. Where is the adjective clause? Can anyone tell me?
Family.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
please repeat the sentence.
The family that lives next door hails from Australia.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
next.
is.
Ma'am,
Family.
Now, children,
Ma'am, is.
yes,
ma'am, family.
Ma'am, family.
In
Now-
Australia.
Ma'am, I think it is family.
no.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the adjective clause?
Oh, ma'am, next.
Adjective is hails from Australia.
Yes, the family hails from Australia. The family hails from Australia is noun clause. That lives next door is adjective clause. It is telling you more about the family. Where does that lives next door? Yes, this is an adjective clause. So you will see that the words written in italics. Italics means you can see they are lighter than the other words. So these words, they
Yes,
are adjective clause. Now
Ma'am,
next one,
they are
I have a
written.
dog. I have a dog that follows me everywhere. Now dog is being
Ma'am, follows me everywhere.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that follows me
yes,
everywhere.
because
That
it is
follows me
describing the
everywhere.
dog. Which dog?
Yes,
That
ma'am.
follows me everywhere. The family, which
Yes, ma'am.
family? That lives next door. That is an adjective clause. This is the garden.
Yes, ma'am.
Which garden? That is famous for its
Ma'am,
roses.
famous for its
Ma'am, that
roses.
famous for its
He is the
roses.
policeman who helped me
Who helped me
find the
Who
find
way.
the
helped
way.
me find the way.
All these are
Yes.
adjective clauses. Yes,
Yes,
got
ma'am,
it?
which describe a noun
Yes. Now
or
you've understood?
pronoun.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now worksheet 9, or remember, let me tell you, the clause which contain a subject and a predicate of its own and does the work of an adjective is an adjective clause. This you are already knowing. Okay, now worksheet 9, look at this picture of a beautiful hill station. The letter given on the next page describes the place, but there are some blanks in it. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Now you can see this picture and the clues are given on the next page. Seeing the clue, you have to fill up. Now, hi Priya, guess where I'm writing from. I am in Leena city. It's a small hill station which is in the east of India. Now it's given in the clue in the box, you can see in the east of India, isn't it? So you have to write which is in the east of India. The scenic beauty here is simply breathtaking. To the north of the city is a waterfall which, now what will
Ma'am,
you
is
write?
delight to view.
Yes,
Delight,
which,
delight.
which is a delight to view, is a delight to view. Write it. Which is a delight to view.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
people live in houses that
Made up of wood.
That is
are
made up
made
of wood.
of wood. That are made of wood. Next one. In the west of the Girwar forest, which
Is
Is
rich.
rich in
Wildlife.
wildlife.
which
Which is
is
rich
rich
in
in wildlife.
Ma'am.
In the west is Girwar forest, which is rich in wildlife, or which has rich wildlife. Both are correct. Which has rich wildlife. People here
Yes,
are
ma'am.
friendly and helpful. They are religious too. The famous Shiv temple was
built in
built.
7th century.
Now, children, it was built. So was built, not is built. Was built in the 17th century. Was built in the 17th century. The famous Shiv temple, which was built in 17th century, which was built in 17th century, is on the outskirts of the city. Gauri volcano. Now what is written?
Now,
Which is
Ma'am,
now
it's
inactive.
now
Built in
can-
Is
17.
now
Ma'am, it is
now
now
inactive.
inactive.
is in the northeast. The city is sparsely populated. I am sending some pictures of the place on WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the clauses you have completed are all adjective clauses. And one thing you must have noticed that they all begin with a relative clause such as who, whom, whose, which, all these. Yes? They all
Yes,
begin
ma'am.
with a relative clause.
Ma'am, can you repeat this again?
Which one? No, please, you children, watch the video. Video, you will get the answers. Whatever you have missed, you can see the video and you will get the answer. No repetition will be done because we have to complete the chapter. Now, worksheet 10. Look at the picture and complete the given sentences by adding a suitable adjective clause. Now, first one they have done, Vishal, who is being chased by a dog, can run really fast. Now, children, you have noticed that if you, Vishal, who is being chased by a, now who, relative clause has been used here. It begins
Ma'am,
with a,
who is being chased by dog?
yes. So that is an adjective clause. Now that castle, which is on the top of the hill, is very ancient. That
What is
castle,
next?
which is on the top of the hill.
Is on the top of the hill.
Yes. Is it? Now, who will tell me this one? What is the name of that girl?
Ma'am, repeat second.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
who
repeat.
Raise your
is
hand.
wearing the
Raise your
glasses?
hand.
Ma'am, can I Ankit?
No, I
You
want
first.
everyone to raise their hand. Ankit, you give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Third ka.
Third. What is the
Ma'am,
name
what
of that
name
girl?
That who's wearing specs?
Very good. Who is wearing specs?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, fourth one. This is the book. Who will give me the answer? Siddhi. Siddhi, give the answer. This is the book.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is the book. This is the book which is full of very hard words.
Okay. This is the
And
book
which
which
I
is
have
full of
read.
hard words. This is the book which I was reading. This is the book that I found on the in the library. Anything you can write, children. Next one.
Ma'am, my correct.
Next one. Ashna. Yes. Next one. This is the desert.
On to visits.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Which is I
ma'am,
want.
This is the
Visit.
desert which I want to visit. Okay.
Yes,
Anyone
ma'am.
else? Shivam.
ma'am, this is the
Shivam.
desert which is very hot.
Too hot.
This
Ma'am,
is
this
the
is
desert
which is very hot.
Which is
Which is-
too hot.
which is very hot. This is the
Yes, ma'am.
desert which is in Asia. This is the desert
ma'am.
which is located in this area. Anything you can write.
Ma'am, this is the desert which is located at Gujarat or Rajasthan.
In Gujarat, not at Gujarat.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am, in Gujarat.
this is the house.
Which is
Shreya,
haunted.
Shreya.
Ma'am, which is haunted.
Yes, this is the
Ma'am,
house
which is
which is
scary.
haunted. Haunted.
Ma'am, which is scary.
Yes, butaha hai. Haunted. This is the house which is haunted. Now, I have a box.
Which is full of
Which is
chocolate.
full of
Ma'am,
chocolate.
which is
Full of
Which is
chocolates.
full of chocolates.
Okay. It is the weather. It is the weather
That has made them
That
sick.
made them
that has
sick.
made them sick.
Yes.
It is the weather that has made them sick.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the tree which will bless you. This is the tree
Ma'am, this is
which
the
will
tree which is blessing us.
which will bless you.
Yeah, this is the tree which is blessing you.
Okay. Now worksheet 11. Now read the sentence. What do you notice about the group of words written in bold? I fear it is going to rain. Now they are asking you, does the group of word in each sentence written in bold have a subject and a predicate of its own? It is going to rain. Does it have a subject and a predicate?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
It is going to rain. It is the subject. Is going to rain is the predicate.
Predicate.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So, yes, it is having. Is it a phrase or a clause? It is a clause because it is
Yes.
part of a larger sentence. It is
Yes, ma'am.
part of a larger sentence. So, it is a clause.
Cloud.
Yes. Now, a clause that a clause that does the work of a noun is called a noun clause. Now, the clause which does the work of a noun is a noun clause. A noun clause is usually the subject or the object of the verb. Now, a subject or object of the verb. Here, first sentence, is it the subject or the object?
Yes.
I fear. I fear what? It is going to rain.
It is going to rain.
So it is
It
the
is
object.
to
It is the object. It is the
Yes,
object,
ma'am.
children,
Rain.
because it is followed by the verb. Followed by the
Yes.
verb. So it is the object. Subject क्या है? I. I है. I है, फिर verb
Yes,
है
ma'am.
और फिर object है. So this is a noun clause. Because it is a noun, so it can either be a subject or an object. Subject भी
Yes,
noun
ma'am.
होता है और object भी noun होता है. तो अगर noun clause है तो वो either subject होगा और या फिर object होगा किसी भी sentence का. Now what we need is good sleep. Now here what we need is the subject.
And ma'am, is good sleep is predicate. Ma'am, it's predicate.
अब समझ में आया आपको?
Predicate.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now worksheet 12. Now they have given, write the sentence on each of the prompts given below using a noun clause. Said, not refuse such a good offer. Children, you don't write the full sentence. You just put,
Small.
yes, abbreviations. short, okay. Said not
Yes, ma'am.
refuse such a good offer. He said that he could not refuse such a good offer. That he could not refuse such a good offer. Only that much you have to write. No,
Yes.
vote for the best candidate. I know that.
I know
I know
that
that
he
I could
vote
not
for the
vote
best.
for the best candidate.
He could
Please
vote for
raise
the
your
best
hand.
candidate.
Raise your
The best.
hand.
The best candidate.
Don't answer like this together. Raise your hand. Ankit, I know that
Yes, ma'am. We should vote for best candidate.
we should vote for the best candidate.
Best
Very
candidate.
good. Next one, said sure to win. Apurva,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, he said that he could sure
that
to
he
win.
is sure to win. That he is sure
Yes,
to
ma'am.
win.
Ma'am, he said that.
That
Yes,
he
ma'am.
is
That he
sure
should
to
vote.
win. Now, shocked to hear.
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya,
Ma'am, I was shocked to hear that there was a stamp in the shrine.
yes, I was shocked to hear that there was a stampede in the shrine. Stampede means Baghdad. I don't know. Shreya, I don't know.
I don't know who will drive in the hills.
Yes, I don't know who will drive in the. Next one, Shivam Kumar Dubey. Pity lost job. It is a pity that he lost his job. It is a pity that he lost his job. Next one, I want succeed with
Ma'am,
good
what
marks.
is pity?
Pity means दया दया आ रही है.
Pity.
मुझे दया है, मुझे अफसोस है उसके ऊपर. I want succeed with good marks. Palakshita. Yes. I want that.
Ma'am, I
I
want
should succeed with
Ma'am,
good marks. I want that.
Ma'am, I want that.
Quickly, quickly. I should succeed with good marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Worksheet 13. Quickly, children, we have to complete the chapter because I cannot start the new chapter.
Yes,
then.
ma'am.
Okay, worksheet 13. Complete the following sentences by adding a noun clause to each of them. The mystery is how he entered the house. My teacher wants. Yes, what will you
That
write?
I score better. My
My
teacher.
teacher wants that I score,
That
that I
that I
do good
score
in
better.
exam. My teacher wants that I do well in exam.
Yes, ma'am.
I could not imagine
That he is the important. Ma'am, that he is the villain.
That life without trees.
I
Yes,
could not
How
imagine
he managed to find the culprit.
that
Ma'am, I could not imagine the
I
life
could not
without
imagine the
trees.
life without trees.
I could not
Ma'am,
imagine.
I could not.
I could
Ma'am, I
not
could not
imagine how he reached so
The life.
fast. How he
Ma'am, I
reached
could
so
not
fast.
imagine how
I
he
want to
managed to
know
find the
how
culprit.
you did it. I want to know how you did it. Or I want to know how you solved the problem. Gandhi ji believed that honesty is the best policy.
Honesty is the best policy.
Honesty, best policy.
No one can deny that.
That he is not honest.
And that is
He is bad boy.
No one can deny.
That he was not honest.
No, don't try, say negative sentence. No one can deny that he is.
And honest.
Yes,
A
no one can
genius.
deny that he is an honest
On
person.
honest.
This is the car I was talking about.
like the most.
Okay. Do you like crossword puzzle? Give one reason why you like it. Because it is interesting pastime. Yes?
Because it gives us knowledge.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is very
Now,
And the word
children,
is
Sorting
now
from
this
your first
puzzle,
क्या होगा?
children, this puzzle, this puzzle.
Yes, I like crossword and word puzzle because it enhances our vocabulary.
Okay. Now look at the word puzzle given below and the subjects sports. Now racket. You have to puzzle. They have given the answer. You have to frame the clues. You must have noticed, children, that whenever there is a puzzle, the clues are given. And on the basis of that, you fill up these blocks. Now they have given the answer in the block. You have to write the clue. Racket. What is a racket? You need one when you play tennis.
When you
You
play
need
tennis.
one when you play tennis. Next one, helmet. It is worn so that the head is
we can
protected.
protect our head.
The head is protected.
We will save from injury.
No, no. It is worn
It is worn.
so that the head is protected.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to give close. The clue should be close to the answer. Now,
Yes,
next one,
ma'am.
champion.
The person who is
Person
the
who
winner.
is
Ma'am,
the
the
winner.
person won the final. Yes,
The
ma'am. The
person
person
who is the
who is
winner.
the winner.
Who is the winner?
Who is the winner is the champion. Goal.
Huh?
A structure
Is
where
the
you
which is
hit
winning
the
stage.
ball.
Yes,
A
who is
structure
winning?
where you hit the ball. Next one. Referee.
A game played
Referee.
The
between
person
Game
who
played between two teams.
the
Ma'am,
person
the
who
person who
Ma'am,
won
a
the
game
match.
played with
Judge the team. The
Ma'am,
game.
what is the work of the referee?
Who judge the game?
Who judges the game?
Ma'am, a person who
Ma'am,
judges
a
the
person who
game.
won
Just
the
the game.
Who judge the game?
Yes.
Ma'am, a person who judges the game.
Yes, yes. Now match.
A game played between
Two teams. A game
Ma'am, a
played
game
between
played
two
between
teams.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, two teams. Yes. ma'am.
Yes, write it, children, quickly. A game played between two teams. Winner.
I'm a person who gains most points.
Ma'am,
the person
The person
ma'am,
who
the
scores
team or person
or the
Ensure more
who scored the most.
score.
Yes.
Yes,
I'm a
ma'am.
person who gain most points.
The person who scores most point is the winner. Ashna, you are not writing.
points gained by
All the other students are writing. I can see you are not writing. I can't hear you. You are mute.
Ma'am, what
Ashna, you
will
are
be-
mute. I can't hear what you are saying.
Ma'am, we are
Okay, next one. Score.
point gained by a person.
ma'am, the point of
point gained
ma'am, point gained by a
Point gained
person
by
or
the
slash
The
team.
points
No,
gained
point
by
gained
the
by the
team
players.
or the person. And doubles.
Two player each side.
Ma'am,
Two
pair of players.
Player on each side.
And two player on each
Ma'am,
side.
pair of players.
Again, doubles means played by two players.
Ma'am, pair of
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am, pair of
Ma'am, we have
players.
to also find the word athletics in this sequence. Ma'am, I have find that word.
Yes. Where is it?
Yes, ma'am. The first sentence, RA. The A is a stand for the athletics A. Helmet T. It is a stand for the athletics T. And ma'am,
Okay, yes, yes.
move downward.
Yes,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Good.
Then we go.
Now worksheet 15. Get into group and choose the theme and a hidden word in the list given below. Now this you will do, children, yourself. ये अपने आप करिए. This is a puzzle. I'm not going to do the puzzle with you. You will be doing it yourself.
Excuse me,
Which
ma'am.
one?
Yes.
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am, can you
15 by our own.
Huh?
मैम जी हम लोग
Ma'am,
का
can you
homework
send the syllabus again?
You want the syllabus? Okay, I'll send it. Okay, I'll send it, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
We
children,
already
this
sent
month,
in the group.
this month, children, we are going to do literature. We are going to do chapter 4. Yes, and in practice, we have to do transitive and
Chapter 5.
intransitive. Transitive and intransitive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is our syllabus for
ma'am.
this month.
Okay, ma'am.
I have the syllabus.
Yes, after this.
Yes, ma'am. I also.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am, you have sent
Yes,
it
ma'am,
in
I
our
have
class
syllabus.
group.
Ma'am, you already sent in the
आपको
group.
क्लास ग्रुप
Yes,
पे
I
भेजी
have, but
थी.
if anyone is not
Yes,
having, I
ma'am.
can send it again. Doesn't matter.
Yes, ma'am.
I can send it again if you want. Yes, and I want to discuss now. July we have prose. We have chapter 4, White Manju Fight. Then in reader we have attitude. Then in practice we have transitive, intransitive, and writing section we have notice writing and article writing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this much you have to do
Yes,
this
ma'am.
month, July.
Okay,
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
in
ma'am.
This much work we will be doing in July. So I will stop here, children. Till worksheet 15 I've done. In the next class we will do this worksheet 16 onward and complete the chapter. And children, who will complete all these exercises? Yes, and please open the video and check it once again, and you should go through it. Then only you will remember
Ma'am,
what
I
has been
agree
taught.
to check it.
Ma'am, I watch the video daily.
Children, very
Of each and
few,
every
very
subject.
few
Ma'am, I
views
agree.
are there. From the views, we come to know whether the children have watched the video or not. Very few views
Ma'am,
are
I
there.
already watched it.
I always watched the video.
Okay,
Yes,
if you are
ma'am,
doing it,
it is
that
very
means you are good
necessary to watch
students.
the
Yes,
video.
ma'am.
Yes, yes. If you are doing it, children, then that means you are very sincere in your studies. And I wish the school reopens so that you can join the classes again and come to school. It is a long time
Yes,
that you
ma'am.
have been sitting at home.
Yes, ma'am.
Although we started the classes in January
Ma'am,
also.
February.
January, February, yes. But very few students used to come. Only 10 to 12 students used to attend the class. Most of you never came to school. So,
I will come.
yes,
Yes,
we
ma'am,
wish
I
that
also.
And I also
school reopens and
Ma'am, I
everyone is
also.
able to come to school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, when school
Ma'am,
will
I have
reopen?
also sent you my holiday homework.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Very good, very good. If you have done your
I'm
holiday
Aradhya.
homework, good.
Excuse
Once the
me,
school
ma'am.
reopen, I will
Ma'am,
ask you
also
to
done
send
my holiday homework.
to give the copies. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम कैन वी ऑर्गेनाइज अ क्विज मैम क्या हम लोग कोई क्विज करवा सकते हैं क्या 6G और 6H के बीच में
6 नहीं है अब आप 7
हाँ,
में हैं. Yes, we can
yes
have a
ma'am
quiz.
7G and 7H
Yes, yes. What type of a quiz you want?
ma'am we want literature quiz
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
literature quiz. Okay, okay, you can have it.
I think reader will be best.
Children,
No, ma'am.
literature. Okay, I will fix a day for literature quiz. Children, it will be on
Yes, ma'am.
second I will keep.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
yes ma'am
Weekend.
Okay, ma'am.
Weekend. Yes, not in the beginning.
Okay, ma'am.
Because in the next class, children, 1 minute, please listen. Next class, I will be completing this chapter. And next class, before starting the chapter 4, you can have a quiz. That will be a revision of chapter 1, 2, 3, and 5. That will be a revision.
Yes.
So start revising, children. And who will
Ma'am, we have
conduct the
also
quiz? That also you decide who is going to conduct. One will be from G, one will be from H. Okay.
Ma'am, from
Ma'am, can I approve?
Ma'am,
You
from
decide.
Aradhya.
Yes,
Ma'am,
you decide
Apurva.
among yourself how you will be conducting, and just let me know in the next class. Okay. See you in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Time is end.
Okay,
Yes.
bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.